I'm Mitch Garvis with SWMI Consulting Group. In this demonstration, we're going to take a virtual machine, in this case the one that's called SWMI-FileServe, that is a virtual machine on SWMI host 1, and make it a highly available virtual machine on a cluster called SWMI cluster. So we see that the virtual machine is off. I'm going to bring up my failover cluster manager, and we see I only have one service and application, one virtual machine that is highly available on this cluster. I'm going to click in Failover Cluster Manager, configure a service or application. I'm going to read the warnings. I'm going to click Next. In the Select Service or Application, I'm going to scroll down until I find Virtual Machine, and I'm going to select that option. So now when I click Next, it tells me that I have two options to make highly available. I'm going to take SWMI FileServe, which as I showed you before is on SWMI host 1, and I'm going to click Next. It tells me that I'm ready to configure high availability, and I click Next, and it won't take too long, as you'll see. And now we have the report, high availability was successfully configured for the service or application. I can view my report if I want. It's going to come up on another screen, but I'll bring it over so that you can see it as well. And it tells me that it was successful. There are no warnings. It tells me everything that was done, and I can minimize that. Now, once I click Finish, you'll notice that I have the SWMI FileServe as a highly available virtual machine under Services and Applications. When I start the virtual machine, it will start up on host 1. And at any point, if I want to migrate it to another host, all I have to do is click Live Migrate this virtual machine to another host. It gives me the other options in my cluster, and we see that the only other node available is SWMI host 2, and all I would have to do is click that. That ends our demo. Thank you for watching.